You can be educated and not be intelligent. You can be intelligent and not be educated. But you can be both and still not be wise. Because wisdom is the application of knowledge. Wisdom is pragmatic, practical intelligence. And just because you're smart doesn't mean you make smart decisions. Just because you're educated doesn't mean you make the right choices. We have people who have all the information and still make the wrong choices. So don't ever think that what you need to do is know more and have more knowledge and be more educated. As a matter of fact, sometimes the more you know, the more paralyzed you are. No surprise that some of the most knowledgeable people can often be some of the most depressed, broken, and hurt and abased people.